Let's talk about how to use Permethrin cream for scabies. If you want to know more about scabies, you can check out my other video on scabies and treatments, but I keep getting asked how to use Permethrin cream for scabies. Now, Permethrin cream is the first line treatment for scabies because it is very effective, and it is also known as Lyclear Dermal cream. Permethrin is what kills the mites that cause the scabies. Permethrin is actually an insecticide, but is used as a cream for scabies as well as crab lice in a 5% concentration. Permethrin is licensed for adults and children over the age of 2, and children under the age of 2 can use the cream under medical supervision. Permethrin is reapplied 1 to 2 weeks after the initial treatment to ensure total eradication of the mite. So let's talk about how to apply Permethrin. So you might have scabies rash maybe just on the arms or on the legs, but you still have to apply all over the body, even the face, the ears and neck, as well as the scalp, as the rash can spread just by you touching different parts of your body. But you should avoid the areas of the eyes and the mouth, especially in children. You also want to make sure that you apply to areas where the mite tends to burrow through, such as the hidden crevices of the skin, which would be between the fingers and under the nails, the wrists, armpits, private parts, breasts and buttocks. So you've applied the cream to the whole body. Ideally, apply overnight, as you have to wait 8 to 12 hours for the treatment to work, then wash off afterwards. Now, some people say that the cream has not worked for them, but that is because they could not wait the 8 hours, and usually they wash the body before getting to 8 hours. Also, you need to allow the cream to dry before putting your clothes back on, and if you're applying the cream to someone else with scabies, then make sure you put gloves on to prevent any transmission of the scabies. Now, Permethrin comes in a 30-gram tube, so how many tubes you need depends on your size. Usually, children over the age of 12 or adults need 1 to 2 tubes to cover the whole body, whereas children aged 6 to 12 need half a tube, and children aged 1 to 5 need 1/4 of a tube. So what are the side effects of Permethrin? Well, there are no major side effects to Permethrin apart from irritation of the skin. You might get eczema, redness, and some people might experience a burning or tingling sensation. And as I mentioned earlier, it is advised to avoid the eyes and mucous membranes, especially in children. Do not use directly after a hot shower or bath. And in terms of drug interaction, if you're on medications such as corticosteroids that suppress the immune system, then applying Permethrin along with corticosteroids can further lead to suppression of the immune system, which can actually make your scabies worse. Is Permethrin safe to use in pregnant women? There has been no data to show that Permethrin can cause harm in the unborn baby, but there's also not enough data as not many pregnant women have had scabies. So I hope you found this video useful in how to apply Permethrin cream if you've got scabies.